Hi guys, today we are going to be talking about point of view, and that is RL.2.6. And so just a reminder what point of view is from our scale, that we want to distinguish our point of view from the narrator or characters. And so if we remember what a narrator is the person who is telling the story. They are the person. They can be a character, they could be a person that's not even in the story. Okay, this is similar to the point of view in informational text. So we are working with a literature text today. So the point of view is a perspective, and a perspective is actually like what you think or your opinion. And hopefully I can write that well, that the character or narrator has about a topic or event. So another thing that the point of view is, it might be the feelings or thoughts that the character has. So it doesn't just have to be an opinion, it could be thoughts, feelings, or an action. It's the way they describe something often reveals or shows their point of view. So if they're saying something over and over again, like they're upset or angry, their point of view on a specific topic might not be so good. So a question for you to think about is, what is the point of view in a literary text? So review the standard, think about what the point of view is. The point of view is the perspective or view that a character or narrator has about a topic or event that is occurring in the text. It might be feeling or thoughts or actions that the character has. The way the narrator describes something will often show the point of view of the narrator or character. And we are going to practice this with a story, and we're going to use a graphic organizer to help us organize our thoughts with this standard.